Bienvenue à la classe. This is Technique Tips with RMJ Studios, a virtual dance studio. Today, we'll be diving back into our Eurocentric posture with a few self-checks to make sure that we're fully in posture. These can be done with or without a mirror, so let's just dive right in. Starting at the feet, as you shift forward, you should feel your weight distributed about 60% in your toes and 40% in your heels. You'll know you've hit this sweet spot when you feel your heels hover ever so slightly off the floor. What will help the most is keeping your weight centered on your big and second toes, lifting your pinky toes, and then springing your heels in and out of the floor. If you can do this without feeling off balance, then you've found your weight distribution. Next, be sure not to lock your knees back as you straighten them. Keeping a slight bend in your knees will help them absorb the shock as you dance, protecting your hips and lower back. It'll also just keep you from passing out. Moving on up, as you line up your hips, keep them turned out so that your knees track directly over the toes. This is the same thing that we learned in our turnout self-check. If you don't remember that, then be sure to take a minute to review. Taking it up to the tailbone, make sure you don't over tuck or you might damage your back. A good test for this is to lay down on your back with your knees up. Take your hands into a diamond and place them under your tailbone. Tuck your tailbone until your back is completely flat against the floor. Lock in that sensation because that's all you need to tuck. Now, let's call it there for now in our posture self-checks. Take a second to let these marinate and we'll wrap this all up next time. For now, I'm Malone Jr. and this has been Technique Tips. Be sure to check out my full live online classes at rmjstudios.com for more.